Everyone, so today we'll see rules for writing an algorithm. So let's see what is an algorithm first. Algorithm is a processor which consists of heading and body of algorithm. Okay, so to write an algorithm first, what does it consist of? It consists of heading and body. Now heading consists of name, algorithm and list of parameter. Heading consists of name, algorithm, list of parameters. Okay, so we'll see what does algorithm name define as. It defines as parameter and list. Parameter list is nothing but they are the list of parameters. Okay, now we'll see the steps of how to write an algorithm. Okay, first, step 1, you have to write comments. In the beginning also you need to write, and in the end also you need to write. This is the step 1 you need to remember. Okay, step 2 is blocks are indicated with braces. Okay, blocks are indicated with braces. Okay, statements are delimited by semicolon. Statements are delimited by semicolon. Now next, step 3 is identifier begins with letter. Data types are integer, float, char, boolean. Identifier begins with letter. So identifier always begins with a letter. Data types are integer, float, char and boolean. Let's see an example now. Node is equals to record. We are starting with a bracket. Data type, then data type 1 to n, infinite numbers. Okay, node into link, and then we are closing the brackets. Now let's see step 4. Step 4 is nothing but assignment to variables is done using assignment statement. Assignment to variables is done using assignment statement. So to assign some kind of variable, we are using some kind of assignment statement. Okay, so variable is equals to expression. Okay, next, step 5 is there are two boolean values, true or false. We know boolean values are of two types, true or false. To produce these values, the logical operators and or not are the relational operators. Okay, these are two boolean values, true or false. To produce these values, the logical operators and or not are the relational operators. Step 6 is elements of multidimensional arrays are accessed using AND. Elements of multidimensional arrays are accessed using AND. Okay, now step 7 is nothing but looping statements like for, while, repeat, until. Now in step 7 in algorithms we use looping statements like for, while, repeat, until. Now step 8 is nothing but we use conditional statements over here. Here we are using looping statements, here we are using conditional statements. Now conditional statements are nothing but case, condition, statement. Condition 1 to n. Okay, infinite, and then statement n, L, statement n plus 1. Then we are closing the brackets. Now step 9, input and output are done using the instructions read and write. Now this is the last step, step 9. Input and output are done using the instructions read and write. So all these steps you have to follow, and then last you have to check input and output are done using the instructions read and write. Now we'll see an example. Now example for this algorithm is nothing but algorithm max AN. Okay, now we are starting with a comment. We saw in the step 1, right? We are starting with a comment. A is an array of size n. Then we are starting with a bracket. Result is equals to a into 1. For, we are using a looping statement here. I is equals to 2 to n. Then we are using a conditional statement. If a of ai greater than or equal to a of I, semicolon. Then return result. Okay, return result is our input. We are putting an input. Then it will give us an output. Then we are closing the brackets. Thank you.